Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial I'm going to help you learn how to share the clickable links on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon, so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms today. Why it is used by marketers, influencers, and consumers, alike, including Instagram links on your social media. Marketing strategies are a great way to increase your reach. There are several ways to share your Instagram link, but in order to share clickable links on your story, you'll need to have at least 10,000 followers on your Instagram account. However, you can put a clickable link on your Instagram with the help of your Instagram bio. You can easily add a link to your Instagram bio. Simply go to your Instagram application and tap it open. Make sure you're signed into your account. If not, then sign in first. Now, in order to add a clickable link on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and go to your profile page. Tap on Edit Profile, and go to the website option. Go and copy the link of any posts or videos you want to share. The clickable link to your Instagram, simply copy the link, go back to your Instagram and paste the link under the website tab. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner, and you'll be able to add a clickable link on your Instagram bio. This is one of the easiest ways to share clickable links on Instagram. You won't even need to have particular amounts of followers. In order to do so, now simply tap on the link that you just posted on your bio. As you can see that the link has opened this video right here. That means the link is clickable. That is one of the easiest ways to share the clickable link on Instagram with the help of your Instagram bios section. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.